Ford has released more details on the 2024 Ford Mustang Dark Horse. Accordingly, a handful of details have been released about the 2024 Dark Horse Mustang's unique paint and interior. The main topic is the unique and eye-catching exclusive color-shifting blue ember metallic paint of the 2024 Ford Mustang Dark Horse, which is only limited to Dark Horse. The color consists of special effect pigments that allow for an impressive color shift depending on the light intensity and viewing angle. As mentioned by Ford, complementary colors have been mixed to create this condition. But as mentioned earlier, this exclusive color is only offered for the 2024 Dark Horse Mustang. If you look closely at the photos, you will see that it changes color from dark blue to light purple depending on the light intensity and viewing angle. If the color is a key factor in reflecting a vehicle's personality, the blue ember transforms the Dark Horse and highlights the natural saddle color horse hidden within the fastback exterior design. Senior color and materials designer Carrie Kinnerly said, "Multiple elements are combined to give blue ember a unique look that is intriguing and mysterious. It shows how unique this Dark Horse is," Ford further stated. Those who have been following Ford's announcements about the new 7th generation Mustang have heard of the new 500 horsepower Dark Horse model, named for its understated, dark design. More details were released at the Chicago Auto Show on Wednesday. The 2024 Mustang Dark Horse will live up to its name and represent the blue oval with exclusive options that include carbon fiber wheels and color-shifting paint. The all-new Dark Horse Mustang gets two exclusive stripe options. One is vinyl, and the other is the hand-painted stripe option. Ford says Dark Horse uses a special process for hand painting that differs from other Mustangs in the lineup, but it will probably be an add-on as expensive as or more than the Mustang Shelby GT500. Ford Authority has stated that the price of the Dark Horse will start at $57,970. Ford's internal sources have told the publication. They further stated the 2024 Dark Horse Mustang offers a $1,250 appearance package and a $4,500 handling package. The publication has also mentioned that the Recaro seats will cost $1,650. The 10-speed automatic transmission will cost $1,595, and the carbon fiber wheels will cost $8,496. Inside, the Ford Mustang Dark Horse will be equipped with an anodized blue titanium gear knob when ordered as a 6-speed manual transmission, while automatic owners score anodized silver shift paddles mounted on the back of the steering wheel. The interior's cabin adopts a blue theme, with indigo blue accents and contrast stitching paired with black synthetic suede on the car's seats, steering wheel, door trim and dashboard. A 13.2-inch touchscreen will be mounted on the car's dashboard, surrounded by a gloss black bezel and carbon fiber look trim.